Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. What a bloodbath. The streets are red. The SPX, the largest index in the world, dropped by 21% from its highs of 6,147 to lows of 4,835. Gold, usually seen as the safe haven asset, followed with a big move down as well. From its peak of 3,167 on April 3rd, we dropped to 2,956 today. Now let's talk Bitcoin. In the last 24 hours alone, we've seen over $1 billion in total liquidations. Out of that, long positions accounted for 740 million, while short traders lost over 370 million. Once Bitcoin touched the yellow horizontal line of last resort at 74,900, I honestly considered closing my small long positions from 94,000 due to the growing liquidation risk. I wanted to free up margin to lower the average entry of my big 100,000 trade, but in the end, I left things as they were and opened a fresh long mini position on BingX instead. The entry was around 75,000, just a small one, but I saw a bullish divergence on the 1-hour chart in an oversold RSI. It was enough of a signal for me to take the shot. Once it went into profit, and it did almost immediately, I moved the stop loss to break even. My first target was the thick blue bar zone from 79,000 to 79,500. That zone was previously a major support, and as of now, we're moving through it with ease. If the price holds, I expect a calm push back into the 80,000 region over the next 12 to 24 hours. The 3-day liquidation heat map is all over the place. Way too crowded. Longs and shorts both have hot clusters. That tells me the market's indecisive. But when we zoom out to the 2-week heat map, the picture clears up. A strong recovery could aim for the upper short liquidation clusters at 81.6, then 84.7 to 86.6, and eventually all the way to 88.5 to 91,000. Some are calling for a death cross on the daily chart. That's when the 50 EMA crosses below the 200 EMA. On my chart, that hasn't happened yet. Despite the weakness in price action, the underlying strength of the Bitcoin network is growing. Hash rate just hit a new all-time high of 1 zettahash per second. That's insane miner commitment. And let's not forget, Bitcoin is not getting imported or exported. It's not a stock. It's magic internet money, totally uncorrelated. And right now, I think the bottom is in. I will update you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts, entries, and exits. Smash the like button if this video gave you value. Click subscribe and turn on the bell if you want to stay one step ahead in this market. And see you in the next one.